guys, what's up? So this video is an update to my earlier video. And the video was how you can watch free movies on IMDb TV. Actually, this IMDb TV is now rebranded as Amazon Freevee. So this old video is not working right now. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can watch free movies with Amazon Freevee. So let's go to Chrome. Okay, so in Chrome, search for Freevee. As you can see, formerly this was IMDb free drive, then it was IMDb TV, now it's Amazon Freevee. So let's go to Amazon Freevee web page. Link to this I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, this is the page you will see. Okay, so here let's go to movies. Okay, as you can see, Freevee, free action and adventure movies. You can browse other categories also. So let's browse these action movies. Okay, as you can see, all the movies here are with Freevee logo. Wherever you will see this Freevee logo, that means you can watch this movie with some ads for free. I was watching this Jason Bourne. Let's try again. So continue watching. Okay, you need to install Amazon Prime. If you don't have, just install. I have already installed and login also. Okay, I can't play the music. Sorry, I can't play the movie here because
I've got the power of the building.
Stand by.
Okay, as you saw, the movie is working. Sorry, I can't play the movie here because it might be a copyright strike. Anyway, the movie is working. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can watch this Amazon Freevee for free. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.